this Nissan Micra 2008 model. We're going to show you how to take the steering wheel off. In this car today, we're going to show you how to change the steering wheel. So you just need to loosen this a little and then wiggle this off. Now we're going to put it under here so it doesn't come back and touch any metal there. Now what you can do is put a plastic carrier bag or polyester bag or a cloth around it. So there we are. So that's not going to spring back up. And then for this one, take the cover off and take that off as well. Done. Wiggle that off and just leave it cover down. There we are. Okay. So you've got two of these guys, cover, flat small screwdriver, and just pop that open. There, keep that to one side. Now there's another one of these on the other side. So this is the right size one. I don't know the size, you'll just need a set. I'm using someone's all mixed pieces. So there, and then go in at an angle. Now it might actually come off like that. Yep, so that's coming off, and you got to do the same on the other side here. So now we're doing the left side. If your piece is not magnetic, it might get stuck like that. So pick up something that's like this, a magnetic, and just bring it up. There we are. And it looks like this. So keep that to one side. So now this is where your airbag is. Carefully take it off. There's a couple of cables behind it. It just slides out. Put it down. There we are. Now be careful with this one. You need a small flat screwdriver to lift this part up. So there, we need you to get a smaller screwdriver, really flat and under, almost like a blade, and lift up, and the whole thing just came off. Wow. So it all came off in one go. So that came out of the yellow thing, and then I applied enough force, that also came out of this guy. Okay, put that to one side. Now we've got to take off a couple of things here, but I think it's this nut here takes the whole wheel off, but we will see. Let's try. But before that, we've got this cable here to take off, and this one, you squeeze this left side one, you squeeze in there and it just comes out. There we have to use an extension because that's buried inside. So we've got extension here. There we are, and hold on to the steering wheel or it's going to probably lock anyway. So there we are. There's your nut. There's a washer built in, part of the nut. Okay. Now where we go? There we are, and the wheel comes off. Now, as the wheel comes off, be careful guys. This wire is got to go through there, and it's part of the squib. There we are. That's how you replace and change your steering wheel.